worst part of being an artist is it's messy, it takes time, it takes forever, until I found this amazing Ikea hack.
I'm doing something really fun in the studio. I'm videotaping being videotaped to make reels and things like that for my business of art course. So my partner is here and he is videotaping. So I'm going to turn the camera around, show you the setup in the gallery or in the studio. It's really kind of fun. And all of a sudden we're almost ready to tape and I thought I should be videotaping you videotape. Here we go. Here's the tape. I'm not allowed to leave this spot. Elias has instructed that I can't do anything except kind of pivot from here. So Eli has brought, this is Eli. He has brought all of his equipment and he's just tweaking things. My studio, he is affirming that my studio is not a very big space, and to get everything that he needs so that we can film it for YouTube and other social medias, because YouTube is horizontal and other social media is vertical, he has to do a lot of figuring out. So we use this fancy card. He's laughing. And we're trying to figure out some great content that we can share with you. I've put those pictures in front of my TV to avoid the glare. Oh my goodness. We're having some fun. Okay. All right.
Okay, there's one. And then
We were gonna do the brushes hack.
can you hold the two ends up? Just like hold them. Yeah, and then I'm gonna actually, yeah.
Good.
Okay, so there's one.
Yeah.
The other one.
And or clean.
Which of those? Which is the like?
Well, this Ikea hack
Was already mini viral.
was already many. I mean, it did great every time I put it up, and I put it up 3 times on TikTok, and it just seemed to hit every
Well, then
time.
let's do that every time. Because it has the same
But it was a
emotional.
quick. It was like what hit was it was like woohoo! I pulled up the brush with paint on it, and then I turned on the tap and I washed. And
Yeah.
it was like 7 seconds.
Yeah. Well, that's exactly what you want. And then you want to use the same sort of script where it's like.
I didn't even say anything. I just said Ikea hack, clean your brushes.
Let's.
The difficulty in cleaning brushes and letting them dry is solved by this IKEA hack.
Yeah, like faster and snappier though, and more emotional. The difficulty sounds like you're solving a technical problem.
Okay.
So how do they feel about it? They're angry about it. Why are they angry about it? You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Come to the emotion of it.
Why are we angry about our brushes?
Are you sick and tired of?
Cleaning brushes is the biggest drag in the studio.
Yeah. Cleaning brushes sucks.
Cleaning brushes suck.
Okay, so where are you going to be?
Where artists, you're having a hard time cleaning your brushes on a daily basis. This IKEA hack simplifies the cleaning and the drying.
Okay, so what about the worst part of
The worst part,
painting?
the
all
worst
the
part
time?
for me, should I say for me? For artists,
No.
is
The
cleaning
worst
up.
part for the worst
It's
part of
cleaning
painting
up.
is cleaning up.
It's cleaning up.
Yeah.
And this IKEA dish rack is the best solution.
How much is the IKEA dish rack? Is it like $3?
It's less than $10.
Yeah. You could a word like cheap
Yes.
is emotionally loaded.
Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna choose. This is still filming. Can I put this somewhere where it's not gonna bug you? They can't see me. All right, that's good. Oh, how did we say that?
The worst, the main thing
The worst part of
is connect, make a question, give them an emotion. Negative is probably better.
the worst part of being an artist is cleaning up. I have to say. I have found that this IKEA dish strainer, this cheap IKEA dish strainer is the solution for cleaning
So, okay. The worst
and
part.
storage and dry.
What do they want? They want to paint more. They want time.
Yep.
So you're saying the worst part of being an artist is cleaning
Is
up.
the time it takes to clean up.
Or no, just cleaning up. The worst part about being an artist is cleaning up. You could then say, it takes forever, it's messy, and somehow this cheap IKEA dish thing has saved my life.
But when I found this IKEA dish drain,
Yeah,
it saved my life.
right.
I can scrub out my brushes. I can soap it, scrub out my brushes, and leave them to dry all in the same
Yeah.
area.
And it takes all of,
It takes 30 seconds.
yeah. So then you would leave the time, because you gave the time, right? So you would say, just to give you a sense of the whole picture, right? The worst part of being an artist is cleaning up. It's messy, it takes forever, and somehow this cheap IKEA dish strainer saved my life. I'd pick it up. Like anything more handy is good. And somehow this cheap IKEA dish strainer saved my life. In 30 seconds, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and voila, I leave it overnight and I'm back to my life.
So then do you, like, I'm going to turn this on, I'm going to lift for soap. Are all those things okay for time? Or will you chop it up?
Well,
If it takes
ideally, if you can do it in one take, you can go straight from
And then click my link.
straight to, look, I've been a full-time artist for 20 plus years. For more than 20 years, I've collected 10 of my best tips and tricks into one PDF, and it's yours for free if you click my link.
Okay.
Enjoy. Okay?
Is it okay if I get this all done and I don't move? If I don't do it all in one thing, we can do the I've been an artist part as an add-on?
We can, but I'd rather you didn't.
Okay.
Try.
Yeah.
The worst part about being an artist is cleaning up. It's messy, it takes time. It's messy, it takes time.
Use more loaded words. Like, it takes forever, you know? Like, lean into the...
But then now I'm transitioning. So the worst part of being an artist is it's messy, it takes time, it takes forever until I found this amazing IKEA hack.
You know, it's not Ikea hack. It's
Or IKEA product.
Until I figured out that this cheap dish strainer from IKEA
Solved all my
solved all my
problems.
problems.
Okay. The worst part about being an artist is cleaning up. It takes forever. It's messy. It's frustrating. Until I found this cheap IKEA product, this dish strainer. So
You got the right idea. You said it twice. So say it once.
okay.
The point is not the IKEA thing.
No. The worst part about being an artist is definitely cleaning up. It takes time. It's messy. It's just okay. I want 3 things. It takes time. It's messy.
It's messy. What's the worst part?
Messy.
Messy. So leave that's messy. So it's messy. It takes forever.
And then I'll just do 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then it's messy and it takes forever. But
then I found this dish strainer from
yeah,
IKEA.
yeah.
Okay.
The light is.
Okay. The worst part about being an artist is definitely cleaning up. It is messy, it takes forever, but then I found this dish strainer from IKEA, and it solved all of my problems. I can soak down the strainer, rinse off my brush, and let it dry in less than 30 seconds. Look, I've been an artist for over 20 years, and I've developed a PDF of 10 of my top hacks, and they're available for you if you click my link.
See, that was perfect. So I'm gonna get you to do one more.
Okay, I dropped my brush.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Like a slightly tighter version, and I don't even need to edit.
Okay. The most frustrating thing about being an artist is definitely cleaning up. It's messy, it takes forever, until I found this dish strainer from IKEA. It takes seconds to soap it up, rinse my brush, and let it dry. Look, I've been an artist for over 20 years, and I've assembled in a PDF 10 top tips for you. Click my link.
Cool. All right, I may use the ending from the
Okay,
first one.
yeah.
Let's get some B-roll of the actual.
So that was it in the studio that day. We took a bunch of B-roll after that. We took a bunch of other videos for other reels, and we will be creating them to create an ad for my Business of Art course. That course, of course, is available on my website now, but we're rebranding and doing a new push. So I hope you enjoyed this little look into the studio life of an artist who is also in business. Have a great day. Do something artsy, and we'll see you in the next one.